Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up VPN on Samsung Galaxy A04e. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search. Now select this application and click install. Now you have to click open and then click agree and continue. Then you can close this ad and now click allow and then click consent. Now click on this button to start your VPN and click OK. Now you can close this ad and as you can see, I'm connected to VPN in Canada. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.